Hello, so today I got package from Seoul. So let's open it up. Okay. I make lamb. I'm sorry, but I can't read Hangul. So this is the package and open. Okay, so we got this lamb. You see that? So symbolic icon Hachi. See this and the remote, the cover, and this is this is the place for the lamp. You see, and this is used battery that's not included here, so it's basically like this. Yeah, and okay, and then this is operation step with 7 color gradient. Okay, so this cable is right here. Okay. Let's pause this video and I will try to operate it. So I put stop contact and the cover here, and let's try this and this. Okay, you see the light, and if we so it's like this, and this is the remote. This is the remote, and try to okay, on, and okay, orange, and this is blue. Oh my god, this is so cool. Flash. Okay, you see that? Oh wait, and fade. So it's, and this is why it's still afternoon here, but if I do unboxing on the night would be pretty cool. So thank you for watching, and thank you I sell you for sending me this as a prize for customer satisfaction. Yeah, something like that. Bye bye.